everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be putting up my new studio desk and workstation. Well, James would be. For those of you who don't know, James is my fiancé. Now that I'll be helping my dad grow his business and working on my YouTube channel, I will need a space to work. So James said that I could share a part of his studio with him. He will be setting up the station and using it as well. When we first moved into this apartment, this room was our bedroom. Within a few months, James asked me if it would be okay if we moved our bedroom into the smaller room. I was totally okay with that. You see, James works from home and the other room was way too small for all of his stuff. There are so many wires and cords to reach from here to Babylon. Some of these things I'm cleaning, I have no idea what they're for. We got a used computer and some screens to make it easier to work. I am so grateful that I have a partner that's so supportive. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Catch you later.